And tonight it's an evening episode of a JD channel video in which, in celebration of setting up a new computer, I decided to go purchase a computer desk for it. I cleared out a little space in my room and now we're going to go assemble it. Enjoy the video. Not bad. It looks like it's going to take 13 simple steps, which, for those who are afraid of the number 13, this probably is a nightmare. Let's come on building. I like how just with every cheap setup you see that it comes in a baggie with the screws and nails and whatever it needs. This is going to be fun. Well, sorry about that. That took a little longer than expected, so I decided to fast forward and show you how it ended up, including my new gaming chair. Check out my new setup. Check that out. New computer, a new desk, a condenser mic, as well as a Bluetooth soundbar that's hiding, and the PlayStation Classic that I picked up. I also have a USB port here hiding that apparently is always powered. That's kind of concerning. And a webcam and my Switch cradle. Well, let's log in. Take a look. Alright, now that I'm logged in, let's give the mic a test. Let's see here, where is sound recorder? Or voice recorder, I guess. Alright. Let's try it. Yes, access the microphone. Yeah. Okay. And there's a microphone connected. What the Okay, that's kind of troublesome. Give me a second. So I guess when I was putting the rig into the desk, I kind of pulled it off, so let's give it a try again. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how this sounds. And playback. Actually sounds pretty good. So I got my computer set up where I could overclock it because my friend installed the, what do you call that thing, the
extreme tuner. And then I also have my soundbar here, which is Bluetooth, so I didn't have to hardwire it, even though I could. This rig so far looks pretty good. I mean, I like the lights. Didn't really mind if it had lights. Now I'm installing the camera. I'm gonna start off with a cheap one, see how that goes. And so testing the camera, as you can see, I mean, for $1, you kind of get what you pay for. It's, I guess, VGA, but it's not that bad. Hopefully now I can upload videos that have been stuck in my hard drive for a while. Here's more to come.